Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find social network settings on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. First click here and now click settings. Now click account information and here you will find these social networks, and that's it. That's how to find social networks on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.